How to add audio in Canva. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for canva.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Canva. Make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in. Further, open a design you want to add music audio in. Now, on the left side toolbar that appears, scroll through and you will see the audio option. Just in case if you do not see the audio option on the toolbar, you can tap on the apps option and under the More from Canva tab, you will see the audio option. Tap on that and you will now be shown with a bunch of music that you can choose from to add to your Canva design. You can also tap on the search bar and search for the audio of your own choice. So, this is how you can add audio in Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.